There we go. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2019. This is Math 1. We will be talking about unit conversion with precision in a moment. But before that, I want to make sure you understand a couple things. Imagine you were doing last night's homework and you were like, I'm so confused. What are some of your options? What is one, Aiden?
You can look at the live stream or the video that you made.
Yes, there's a live stream and a video. For homework, I think the homework video is probably the best solution. So I just wanted you to know where the videos are. So if I go into Google Classroom, all right, Google Classroom. And we are in Reason and Units. Under Reason and Units, the first video is just an intro. What's this one do right here? This is where I post the homework. What's this link? This is live stream now. Let's see, is that live stream actually the right one, or is it still going to my old channel?
I think it's the right one.
Okay.
What's her old?
It was still live stream. I had to change it over the summer. Oh, and look, we're streaming right now. But here's yesterday's lesson is up here. So here's yesterday's lesson. I don't recommend the live stream unless you missed the class. For homework, you're going to use the homework file or the homework videos. Hello, Aiden. Today is Monday, the 19th of August.
Check that.
Yep. There we go. Math 1.
You watch your live stream.
Now we're going to talk about significant digits. Yeah, it gets really weird. Yeah, we'll do that in a second too. Once we're done. But if I go to the other link, this is going to take me to a playlist for Reason and Units. And last night was sig figs, significant digits. So I scroll down through here, Google homework, two-step units, Google homework, significant digits. There's a video that goes with it. So there are videos that go with pretty much everything, and I'm trying to make more videos.
Hey, it's Mr. Barre, and let's see, this homework assignment is significant digits. And it says, do each problem, check your answer with the answer key, write down the original number.
All right, so this is the live stream, and we're live right now. So how do I get from there?
Video not approved for asking your own videos.
Okay, here we go. This is fun. I've done this before.
You watch your own things.
It's gonna be tricky.
Yo. Like your own video.
Gosh, it's weird.
Yeah, it's so delightful.
All right, so here's the deal. First off, there's a 12-second delay.
It looks so bad.
All right, so here's the deal. First off, there's a 12-second delay. There's a 12-second delay. All right, so here's the deal. First off, there's a 12-second delay. There's a 12-second delay. All right, so here's the deal. First off, there's a 12-second delay. There's a 12-second delay. There's a 12-second delay. There's a 12-second delay.
It's so bad.
There's a 12-second delay. I thought I didn't always see that. And clinical. Okay, so you get it. We're actually gonna stop this now.
I thought you might be able to do that.
All right, and we are looking at this one right here. We're looking at unit conversion with precision. You know I'm going to get some views on that one because some of you are going to go home and like show people, look at what happened in our class today. Okay.
You guys learn.
Did you learn anything in here? All right, so unit conversion with precision. So what is it, Maddie, what's the learning goal for today?
The learning goal is I can use units such as feet and gallons to find reasonable solutions to a life problem.
Excellent. And then Micah, why?
Units describe the world around me and I want to understand my role inside.
Cool. So here's a ruler, and imagine that I measure an object in inches, and it turns out to be 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. And that's about as good as that ruler can get. But when I convert it using Google into centimeters, it converts it to 3.81. But using this ruler, could I actually measure something to 3.81 centimeters? No. Do you see how the actual conversion process makes it seem like that measurement is better than it really is? When I convert something, I can't suddenly get more accurate, more precise than what I started with. So what we're going to look at is how we have to adjust our conversions when we're actually dealing with precision, when we're dealing with a real measurement. So it's similar to what we did yesterday, and we will be using sig figs. So a couple words where people throw around. One is accuracy. Accuracy is the ability to actually hit the target. How accurate you are is actually what you're hitting. So if over here, if I have something in this can, if I have this can and I'm aiming at that with an arrow, okay? Accuracy is how close to that can I'm getting. How accurate I am is depending, can I hit the can? Am I hitting the can? That's accuracy. Precision is the reproducibility of a measurement. With the same example, precision, I can be precise without being accurate. So maybe I keep aiming at the can, but I keep hitting somewhere else, but I consistently hit the same spot somewhere else. That's precision. But what we're really dealing with is precision of measurements, and that is the smallest division on an instrument. So how precise an instrument is. The rulers we were using yesterday were good to 1 decimal place. Okay, that's how precise it is. I could measure something and be wrong, which means I am not accurate. Let me get a ruler. There. I want you to see the difference between precision of measurement and accuracy. Ready? You're going to be my helper here. I am measuring the width of her Chromebook. Watch this. I say it's 28.4. 28.4, 28.4. Is it 28.4? She's saying no, it's not 28.4. I am not accurate. My accuracy is bad. My precision is really good because I'm saying 28.4, which is more precise than this 28. I am not accurate, but I'm precise. I measured again, 28.4. I measured again, 28.4. My precision is pretty good. My accuracy is bad. Ideally, you want to take the two and put them together. You want to be accurate and precise. I know, this is a weird one, and it's even hard for me as a human being. So you guys as middle schoolers, it's difficult. So precision is how good the ruler is. Accuracy is how close to the real answer you're getting. We're dealing more right now with precision. All right, so in your notes, this is the big thing for today. You cannot end up with more significant digits than your least significant value. Or up here, when you do a conversion, you cannot get more precise than your least precise value. If you've got 2 sig figs, your final answer should have 2 sig figs. You can't suddenly get more precise as you do a conversion. If my ruler is only good to 1 decimal place, my answer can only be good to 1 decimal place. So in your notes, I want this much, just this chunk right here. That one sentence in your notes, and I will take attendance. And you will sit there and take notes. So if I'm starting with 3 sig figs, I'm going to end up with 3 sig figs. You can't get any better than what you started with. Using Google, convert 4.5 miles per hour into meters per second. And all you have to do is tell Google what you want to do. Say, hey, convert 4.5 miles per hour into meters per second, and Google's going to give you some kind of answer. So make that happen. Don't just look at my screen. You do it on your own. Raise your hand if you were able to make something happen with the computer. Okay, JJ, so what is 4.5 miles per hour in meters per second? And give me all of the decimal places.
Okay, 4.5 miles is equal to 2.01168 meters per second.
Give it to me again.
2.01168.
2.01168.
Yeah, meters per second.
Okay. That's what Google tells you. But really, whatever I'm measuring with, I can take this thing out to 5 decimal places? No. What could I take it out to here?
2.
To 2 sig figs. So what should this answer be? 2 sig figs. So we're going to round it to 2 sig figs. Which is going to take it to, raising a hand, who can do that rounding? Yeah, you got it, Jackson. Round it to 2 sig figs. 2.1, Chris?
2.0.
2.0. That's 2 sig figs, not just 2, because just the number 2 would be 1 sig fig. 2.0 meters a second. What if this was 4.50 miles per hour? How many sig figs would it be then?
3.
And this should be 3. 2.01, exactly 3 sig figs. So we're going to do a bunch of conversions now. And at the end, you have to round it correctly based off of the sig figs. How many significant digits there are, how many significant figures. I need a whiteboard and a marker from everybody. He's got it. And a calculator. Not a calculator, no, because we're going to use Google.
Yeah.
Or Google.
Thank you.
Google?
Nothing tomorrow.
Nico, House of Citizenship. You know what? I'm not, that may be true. I'm not picking on any other houses. I am just encouraging my own house. Yeah? It's all right. You see that? Yeah, we can do it like that. Yeah. There we go. All right, Presley. Using Google. 12.5 feet per second into miles per hour. Google will convert it for you, but you have to do the precision. You have to round it based off of significant digits. I need units on that. Without the units, the number means nothing. I need units on yours. Yes, yes. So you got it. Yes. Yes. Perfect. I need units on it.
Oh, wait.
I like the number. The number makes me happy. I need units on it. Miranda, that looks good. 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 I need units on it. Without the units, it doesn't make any sense. Good. So you took, Gavin, you took it to 2 sig figs, and I think it should go to 3 sig figs. Good. Good. Anybody else need a good for me still?
I do.
Good? Okay. Good. Perfect. Gavin. And we're letting Google do the conversion. I don't have to do the conversion. Good. So I've got an 8.52 miles per hour. Let's do dun, 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 10.1 gallons per hour into ounces per second. And if you type that in, Google will figure it out for you. Google's so smart for you. Back when I was a kid, we had to like figure it out on our own. And I had to walk uphill to school both ways. In the snow, in Redlands.
Makes that sound really like.
It used to snow all the time in Redlands when I was a kid. I don't have the answer, Chris. Let me keep it up there. Let's see what other people say. I've got I need units on yours. How many sig figs are up there? Number 2. You with me? Good, good. So, what's your answer? Oh, show me yours again. I'm confused. That's a 9? Oh, got it, okay.
Yeah.
It's looking at 0.3590 2.
Oh, no.
Okay, got it. How many sig figs are up there on number 2?
3.
How many should you have? Units on that? How many sig figs are up there on number 2? Good, good, good. So you should have 3 sig figs on your answer. Good.
So I thought, I had this answer for my first one, but then I thought, because it's 0 from the next one.
That's a leading 0, so it's not significant. Leading zeros are never significant. It's only those the trailing zeros when there's a decimal. Aiden, thanks for asking the question. It's better to get an answer right away and get help as opposed to not understanding. Okay, I have it at what was it, 0.359?
Yeah.
Ounces per second. Okay, let's look at number 5. $5 a day into cents per hour. $5 a day into cents per hour. Okay, hold on to that. Okay, hold on to that. Don't erase it yet. Got it. Just hold on to it. Good. Don't erase it. When I say hold on to it, hold on to it. Don't erase it yet. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just good. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Good, good. Give me a unit. That looks good. Hold on to it. Don't erase it. Good. Because there's something a little bit weird happening, isn't there? So actually what you're showing it right there, if you're gonna go that way, that's actually dollars per hour. Point. No, it's dollars per, yeah, that's dollars per hour. So I've got it as 20 cents per minute. What's weird about that though?
There's two.
Okay, so these are the two ways. So if you're showing me this, it's actually $0.20 per minute. Here it is as 20 cents per minute. That's what it is. What's weird about this though?
It's asking for hours.
Is it hour? Sorry, hour. Okay, hour. But still, what's weird about it? How many sig figs were in the original problem? How many are in the answer?
Two. Oh,
One.
it said that if there were zeros after the number, then it wasn't, then it was
Ambiguous.
ambiguous, and so there's really only one sig fig, which is the 2.
So right now, it's ambiguous. Recognize we started with one sig fig, and right now we have at least one, but it's ambiguous. And we're just going to live with that, because I'm not going to teach you how to deal with the ambiguous. There is a way to do it. I'm just not teaching it to you. So it's a little bit weird right now, but it's good enough. Let's go on to some more ones. Let's go to B, and let's do number 2. But what's the problem with number 2? Aiden.
The 1400s ambiguous.
It's ambiguous. So I have to tell you what to do on this one. We can't tell from this. It's ambiguous. I am telling you, and the only reason I can do this is because I'm making this up as I go along. I'm telling you that it's 2 sig figs. So you are going to do number 2 right now at 2 sig figs. Otherwise, you wouldn't know what to do. But 2 is better than 3 because I'd rather underestimate our precision than overestimate it. And so I'm going to underestimate it at 2. So 1,400 cups per day is... I have to use other people. I don't have these in my hand. Show me yours again. Yes. No. 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 Chris, maybe, because I'll get something else. Okay, that's a no. That's a no. That's a maybe. I have to go. That's definitely a no. That feels like. I'm going back to Chris. I like Chris is the best still. You're close. You guys are rounding it weird. Okay, there. Now I like green leaves. I disagree. You are showing me 2 sig figs. I agree with that. I think you rounded incorrectly though.
Right.
Like that. No, I need units. I agree with that. Gallons? Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. So Chris, you were, boom, like that. You were the first one. Awesome. Good, good. You're showing me 3 sig figs. I want 2 sig figs. And the only reason you know that is because I'm saying 2 sig figs. You're giving me 3. I'm asking for 2. Good. 0.061 gallons per minute. Is that cool with the rounding? You guys catch your errors? Do you catch it? We're good? We're good? We're good? Let's go on to slide 10. And to make this more interactive and enjoyable, let's go with Taryn. Pick a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3.
3, let's do 3. 78 pounds per week into ounces per hour. I'm not sure Google's going to do it. Did it do it? Yeah. Google.
Apparently, yes.
Crazy Google.
Wait,
Click on that. Okay, yes, yes, yes. You got it. Yes. Beautiful. Units. Good. Good. Micah, good. Good. That looks good. Give me units, Maddie. I disagree with yours. Trent, did you get a good for me?
Yeah.
Will you talk to Miranda? Good. Good, good. Give me units. Good. Did Google mess her up?
No, she put, I'm
Okay, got it. Then, thank you, Taryn, on that one. How about Lizeth? Pick one, and you can't pick 3. 5. $88 an hour into cents per minute. Jordan, number 5.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. So I kicked you. People at home, you didn't see it, but I just kicked Jordan. That was crazy. It was like crazy, like Jackie Chan kind of kick. Up off the air, spinning around in circles. She's okay though. I don't know what the answer is, man. I need a unit, whatever it is. Okay, hold on to that. I've got conflicting numbers coming up over here. So you got it as 146. Did it tell you 146 cents?
So 146.666.
So 146 cents. That can't round to 15 cents.
Oh wait, I just did my math.
No. Okay, yes. We've got it as 2 sig figs. You've got it as 3. So did you have 150 at some point?
Yes.
150 isn't going to round to 15.
I had around that right after the cents.
But imagine, ready? Okay. I'm going to give you 156 cents. You know what? I'm just going to round it though. I'm going to round it to 15 cents. I'm going to give you $146. Let me round it. I'm going to round it to $15. Right? You wouldn't like that rounded. Good, 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 good. So what was the actual number we got here, Miranda? What was the number from Google? 146.666? Got it. Good. I need to take this to 2 sig figs, which means I'm going to round it here to 150. I'm not rounding it to 15, I'm rounding it to 150. Cool? So I change that guy to a 0, and when I do it, that turns into a 5. Now let's do it with some calculations. Yes?
Wouldn't it make it ambiguous though?
It is ambiguous, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I hadn't thought about that, but you're right. It would be ambiguous. How many square meters is in a 5-foot by 12-foot rug? By 12. Square meters. Yes, sir.
Where are you?
On your whiteboard.
Oh.
That seems reasonable, except notice how many sig figs are right here. How many sig figs are right there? But so we can't get better than what we started with. If we have one sig fig to start with, we have to end with one sig fig. That's too big. You're showing me 5 sig figs. When I do a conversion, I can't suddenly get more precise than what I started with. Maybe. Now I'm confused. I thought you had 5 to start with. Okay. Round at the end. That's not something new. When we were doing our other calculations, I told you guys on different lessons, round at the end. No.
It failed for.
Let's start with this. Would somebody convert 5 feet into meters for me? Can I get that much? Come on, Micah. Can I get a 5 feet into meters? And Aiden, can I get a 12 feet into meters? You got it, Micah? No. If you ask Google convert 5 feet into meters, it's not going to say 2. What did it say, Chris? 1.5200. 1.5200.
5240.
Chris, slowly, loudly.
1.52400.
Beautiful. Aiden, 12 feet.
It's 3.6576.
Thank you for doing it loudly and slowly. Do not round yet. Do not round until the final answer. Give me a whiteboard that has a final answer on it. Give me the correct unit. Give me the correct unit.
What?
What?
That does not make sense.
What, Mr. Barr? Yes. 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 Is that
I
better?
think
Yes.
I
Okay.
got it.
It took a 7.
Wait.
So I can't get more precise. Now, that's not my. How many sig figs do I have in my original numbers? 1 sig fig.
Oh.
My final answer should include 1 sig fig. I can't get better than that. Good. No. Yes, no. Are you at 7?
Yeah.
Did you use these numbers? Multiply those two guys together and then round it to 1 sig fig. Yes, no. No, yes. This is awesome.
Accurate.
No, this is beautiful. The fact that you're getting things wrong means this is stuff that's new and challenging for you. Yes. What do you get when you multiply? Hey, Chris, you're doing a great job. Just keep sitting there. All right, Eli. I've been calling on you too much today. Eli?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Multiply those numbers together for me and give me the entire big, ugly answer. JJ, you do it also. You're the backup on this. Okay.
5.5741.8.
Good enough. Okay. Thank you. And you did a good job, just like Aiden did a good job. At this point, I'm taking it to 1 sig fig. All right, 1 sig fig. So I'm going to take it all to right there. What's this 5 telling me to do to this guy? Round it up to 6. Was it meters or meters squared?
Wait, oh, I did cubic inches. Oops.
Meters squared, okay. Now, I have a cube. My cube is 2 meters by 2 meters by 2 meters. Convert it into cubic inches.
Oh, that's right. I'm not gonna be on that problem because
That's all right. Round at the end. Convert the 2, convert the 2, convert the 2, do the math, convert the answer, round the answer. Got this, Miranda. Got this. Can you do it under pressure though? Can you do it under pressure? Can you? Like somebody doing like this around you while you're doing your math? Come on, man. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Can you? Can you be a fighter pilot someday? I don't know. Can you handle the pressure? Can you be a surgeon? What are you gonna be? Okay, do something easy. Dude, I don't think truck driver would be an easy. I think it'd be a high stress job, man.
I know.
Yeah.
Dude. I'm trying to think of like just like a low key easy job.
I was like,
Danny.
McDonald's. Yo, work at McDonald's.
But there's a thing. Actually, one of the, I guess, most satisfying job that shows up in these lists is actuary. They're actually a special type of mathematician that just kind of like crunches numbers. They like their jobs, I guess. No, that's not data entry. They're actuaries. You know what life insurance is?
I don't know what it does, but
So here's how it works. So I have life insurance. If I died right now, how are we laughing at this?
Yo, that's not how you die.
Okay, my family would get a chunk of money, and you carry that because it helps my family because without me, my wife, it'd be tough. So now I have to pay every year for that policy. Who should pay more for a policy? Ready? Me or someone that's 78?
78.
Because the chances of them dying this year is higher than the chance of me dying this year. Okay, let's do it this way. Who should pay more for the policy? Me or somebody that has a heart condition? I don't have a heart condition. Right, because they're more likely to die this year. Actuarial table, who should pay more for auto insurance? Me, who's got a really good clean driving record, or an 18-year-old who is a Yahoo.
You.
Right? So actuaries, they figure out all this data, like how much should insurance cost. They run all the numbers to kind of figure out how much things should cost for different people.
It should cost
And they-
$0.
And they seem to like their jobs.
Why? It's a job.
You can like your job.
I want that job. Sounds boring.
This is why it's beautiful in our country. You get to choose the work you want to do. So I'm not saying everyone needs to be an actuary, but they seem to enjoy their jobs. It's good stuff. Hey. Are we-
Also, when I converted meters into cubic inches, like it gave me like a
Wait.
He gave me 3.
So we're going to probably be ambiguous because we've got to take it to 1 sig fig, and that's my answer right there. So I don't know, did you convert this? Convert first and then do the math. What's 2 meters in inches?
122,000.
No, 2 meters into inches.
Oh.
Convert,
Cubic.
and then do the math at the end. You
Okay.
got some, are we having? I think your rounding got lost. I think this should, no, actually you're way over. Yes. now I'm confused. Show me yours
I
again.
have no idea what it is.
That's correct. Look at your calculator. Something's off. You lost a 0. That's good. You're rounding off. What did you get? No. Did you convert 2 meters into inches? And what did you get?
Well, we did it times 3. We didn't do it like 3 different times.
Ah.
I
So-
did it 3 different times.
Good.
Yeah, I got
Wait.
No. Yes.
Wait.
Oh, I rounded wrong.
Yes, Miranda.
Wait, I'm trying to figure that out. I thought-
I rounded wrong.
Yes. Okay. Maddie, what's 2 meters converted into inches? Give me that.
I still got 122,000.
We're gonna do that.
That's-
47.
No, that's too big. No, just listen. Gavin, type in this in. 2 meters converted to inches. It should be 36, 70, under 100.
I got 78.7.
For one.
Yes, and then you just do that.
Oh, 78.7402.
Okay. Now, take 78.74, multiply it by 78.74, multiply it by 78.74, and then do your sig figs at the end.
Yeah, that part kind of.
And I think you should get 500,000.
Yeah.
Exact.
Not exact after doing the sig figs, because I'm taking it to one significant digit. And you can start on the homework. Up top. Turning off the live stream. All right, who's gonna tell us what to do? Get up here, Aiden. You were on it today too, man. Aiden was on it.
I was on it today.
There's Aiden.
Wait, so where am I pointing? Like
I don't know where to
here?
point. Just stand over here. We'll just talk to the
Right
camera
here.
and say, hey, hey.
All right.
Point at the camera.
Hey,
How you
like
doing?
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like
Yeah.
push the buttons down there.
There's somewhere.
That's good.
Link in the description.
There is no description.
There is no description.
I don't put any. Dude,
Well, you-
okay, yeah.
failing.
I'm failing. Don't.